Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I have written a Python program which accepts the total amount in a bill. If the amount is greater than 1000, then a discount of 8% is given, otherwise no discount is given. Based on this, the total bill has to be paid. That means the final amount has to be paid is calculated, and here I will be displaying the total amount, that is the bill amount, the discount, how much has been given, and the final amount to be paid after discount by using simple if statement in Python programming language. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video link in various social networks which you are going to use, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. I am opening an Python interpreter. In this particular video, I am writing a program to calculate the total amount in an bill. If the amount of an bill is greater than 1000, then a discount of 8%, otherwise no discount is given. After calculation, you need to display the total amount, the discount and the final amount. This is an interpreter. We'll create a new file. I am closing the interpreter, and this is the new file. Just I will adjust the size of the file. So here I will write first the program name as an comment hash Python program 2, input the total amount, in a bill, if the amount is greater than 1000. That means if the bill is greater than 1000, that means greater than 1000 rupees, comma, the discount is 8%, otherwise no discount. Again I will write an comment to display total amount, comma, the discount amount, means how much amount has been discounted, and the final amount. So first I will read the bill amount. So I will take bill amount as the variable bill underscore amount equal to float, open the bracket, input within a bracket, within a single quotes, prompting message, enter the bill amount, or you can write enter the total bill amount. After that, one space, close the single quotes, close the bracket and close the bracket. So a prompting message will be displayed, and whatever the value you will be entering, that will be stored in bill amount. Then after that, take the variable discount equal to 0.0, initialization of a discount. If bill underscore amount greater than 1000 colon, so if this amount is greater than 1000, then what, how much is the discount? The discount is 8%. So therefore you need to write here discount is equal to 0.08, or you can write 8 divided by 100 also. Then afterwards press the backspace, again start the next line with the first position. The cursor should be the first position in the next line, otherwise it will belong to the if block itself, as you know. Then net discount, that means how much will be the discount that we need to calculate. So amount into discount, amount into discount will be the net discount. Then net amount, that means how much amount you need to pay, that one. So net amount will be bill underscore amount minus net discount, okay. Press the enter, then print one bracket within a single quotes, the total bill amount is double quotes close comma. So here is bill underscore amount, close the bracket, press enter, again print. What do you have to display? Within a double quotes after the total amount you need to display the discount amount. The discount amount is double quotes close comma. So that is what? Net discount, that is what? Net discount, close the bracket, press enter, again print, open the bracket within a single quotes, the net amount, the net amount to be paid, the net amount to be paid is double quotes close comma. So that is what? Net amount, that means how much amount you need to pay after the discount. So here it is not a double quotes, it is a single quotes, because we have started with a single quotes. After this, save the program. To save the program, the shortcut key is Ctrl S, and here we'll save the program as discount. You can save with any name so that you can understand the name of the program. Now we'll run the program. The shortcut key is F5, as you know. First enter the bill amount. So I will give the bill amount as 2000. That means if it is greater than 8, then 8% of discount, right? Press enter. So you have got an error. What is that? Discount.py line 8 in module. Net discount is equal to amount into discount. So here amount is not defined. So what is the variable? Actually you have taken bill amount. So here it should be bill underscore amount. Okay. So save the program, Ctrl S, again run it, F5. So enter the bill amount. So I will give the value as 2000, press enter. So here the total bill amount is 2000 and the discount amount is 160. The net amount to be paid is 1840. We'll run the program once again. Okay, by coming to the script mode, press F5, and now I'll give the total amount purchased as 900. Press enter. Now you can observe the total bill amount is 900, the discount amount is 0, the net amount to be paid is 900. That means if the bill amount is greater than 1000, then it is going to execute this one, discount 0.08. Otherwise the discount will be 0 only. So in the first case, whereas here 2000 in that one, so it is going to execute this one, so therefore discount will be 0.08. Next it will calculate net discount is equal to bill amount into discount. So amount is 2000 into 0.08, so that will be the net discount, that is the discount amount is 160. Then afterwards net amount is equal to bill amount minus net discount, that is what? 1840. So if the bill amount is not greater than 1000, that means it will come directly to this one, that is it will calculate the net discount and then it will calculate the net amount. So net discount will be bill amount into discount. So bill amount is 900 into discount is 0. So 900 into 0 will be 0, therefore the discount amount, that is the net discount, is 0. The next net amount is the bill amount minus net discount. So 900 minus 0 will be equal to 900. So this is an program to calculate the amount to be paid for the purchase, and if the bill is greater than 10,000, then 8% discount, otherwise no discount. And this has been done by using a simple if statement. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video link with your friends and family members, share the video links in various social networks which you are going to use. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.